Eric C. Spreading the love.
Wait, what?
Hello, baby. I am the locksmith of love, no?
Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here, and I just want to start off this video by saying that this is a pre-recorded video, something that I had planned to post up for Monday today, but it's been pre-recorded back, I don't know how many days ago now. It's Valentine's Day. Got what, 2 weeks before Valentine's Day, so I kind of want to spread a little bit of love with you guys. All right, spreading the love. Isn't that what Valentine's Day is all about? So for me to you, to spread a little bit of cheer and love, I want to do a giveaway on YouTube for you guys. And this is something that, kind of am a little bit forced to do. I'm running out of room. I have no room for new gear, and it's turning out to be a clusterfuck in the other room. So you like Ibanez's? I like Ibanez's. I like Ibanez's a lot. Pretty comfortable, pretty easy to play, and set up pretty easily as well. So what I want to do is something that I've had for a while that I really haven't been playing it or really doing too much with it. Kind of just sits there. So what I've got is an Ibanez Geo, and it is a GRG 131 BKF. And let me show it to you. All right, so this is her. And basically, this was bought brand new at a very, very reduced price because it is a factory second. How do I know it's a factory second? Well, it's stamped on the back of the headstock. So what makes this a factory second? Well, when I did the unboxing of this guitar, I kind of showed that there was a little bit of some bubbling right in this corner here. You can't even see it unless you really, really look. Otherwise, there ain't damn thing wrong with this guitar. It's still like brand new. Maybe a little bit dusty, but still like brand new. Now, I didn't do too much to this guitar. I did upgrade the pickups. I put a set of Dragonfire Hex Reds in here instead of the Infinities that it came with. Now, they weren't Infinity 1s or Infinity 2s. They were just Infinities. Specs on this thing, well, it's the neck is a GRG maple neck. The body is poplar. Fretboard is a bound treated New Zealand, and it has the red shark tooth inlays, jumbo frets, and fixed bridge, black hardware, so on and so on. Now, another thing that I kind of upgrade on there is I changed out these knobs here to kind of match the guitar a little bit. But other than that, string through body. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this thing at all. In fact, it's pretty much new. I bought it, did my upgrades on it, was playing with it for a little while, and I ended up picking up more and more and more and more and more. So there are videos of this guitar on my channel, an unboxing video plus the upgrades that I did to it, and now I want to make this yours. So here are the contest rules. Giveaway rules. No pushing, no hitting, no biting, no fishing, U.S. mailboxes only, no swimming, no baking cookies. Pick a number from 1 to 2,000. No nose picking, no picking friend's nose, no food on deck, no cucumbers, no running. You must make sure that no one has picked your number. Thank you. So that is the contest rules. If you want it for yourself, for a friend, whatever, it's up to you. Enjoy. Hope you guys play. And good luck to whoever the winner is. Oh, by the way, before I forget, the end of this contest will be not this Friday, but the 14th, which be next Friday, right? I think so. Yeah. Valentine's Day. What do you know? So I will post up a close on the 14th. And yeah, that way you guys know that the contest is closed. And I'll probably put up a video basically saying that the contest is closed as well. So if you want in on it, get on it. Good luck to everybody. Be some pictures of the guitar at the end of the video.